Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today is a cool tool shout out. This here is a Borescope from Teslong, the TD450S. This thing is amazing when it comes to borescopes. I've used borescopes that hook up to your phone and the quality on those really just suck. This is a game changer, trust me. It has an oscillating head, which I really like. It's really fun. You could take videos, pictures, document everything. And you know, when it comes to doing diagnostics, it could take $500 to $3,000, even more sometimes, to figure out what the problem is before any repairs actually get done. This can cut down in time and money. And not to mention, if you are a shop, this could cut down in a ton of unnecessary teardown that makes you just go in circles trying to find the problem. This is the tool for you, the TD450S from Teslong. A few specs on this thing. It does come with a 32 gigabyte memory card that's loaded right here in the side. Your reset button is right here in case it crashes for some odd reason, and your Class C charger all located on the side of this. What sold me on one of these is my buddies over at German Autosport in Berkeley were posting videos using these, and he was telling me it speeds up the diagnostic time by so much, and he actually bought two because his technicians were fighting over these when it came to doing diagnostics.
Customer states car needs timing chain. Looks more like it needs piston.
Hole in the block.
Insane. Hole in the block?
Yeah.
Oh,
right there.
nice. Crunchy, crunchy. Tiguan is now Figuan.
I already mentioned that it has the oscillating tip, which is really dope, but there's a few other things. When you get over into the camera mode, you can see you have a little light right there. You could change the brightness of the light or turn it off if you like. I like to use that medium one, that's my favorite. You can also zoom. Let's see if we get the car right there. Oh, look at that, the picture's upside down. Well, let's flip it. There we go. And zoom. The zoom is amazing, even though it flipped it again. I like that. Now, when you want to take a picture or a video, here on the back is your trigger. That will activate the camera or the video. And how do you get into that, you might ask, Scotty B? Well, you go into here, go into mode. Now you're in camera. If you want to review your footage, your pictures, your video, you just hit the mode again and it goes into that section. You could scroll through your videos using these up and down arrows. Hit mode again, and it'll take you into the picture mode. Now the quality of these videos and pictures are super clear. I really recommend this. Now let's go over and get this into the car and take a look and see what it looks like actually using it real fast. You could document exactly what you're seeing. Burnt valves, carbon buildup, leaks, broken parts without tearing the engine apart or guessing. The Teslong TD450S Borescope is a game changer when it comes to borescoping. If this is useful on one diagnostic or repair, it's going to pay for itself easily. This thing is fairly cheap. And if you want one of these, look for a link in the description below to go pick yourself up one. It's really affordable, very easy to use. Really, you take it out of the box, it's good to go. You don't have to use any apps, phones, nothing like that. It is good to go out of the box. You get that nice carrying case, you get your memory card, everything already here. You're gonna love this thing just like I do. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Don't forget, look for a link in the description below. I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.